channel. This will be my first one in English, also my second. But let's get right into it. It's called Snowflake Shuriken. Basically, the more you hold it in, it's like the more shurikens you shoot out. It's like a shotgun, basically. It's also good if there's multiple enemies chasing you. The next attack is called a Whiteout. Tornado, and it grabs the enemy into the tornado, doing a lot of damage. So if I point here, it's gonna make the tornado here. Let's check out the damage. Yeah, it does about 2,300 damage if you have the stats that I use. And the mobility skill that this has, it's called Tornado Flight. And it's basically, you make a tornado under you. It makes you fly around, fly into enemies, and that deals a lot of damage. Now, let's move on to the last attack. The last attack, called Blizzard Domain. When you use it, you make a small domain, basically, of ice and snow that freezes and damages the enemy. This fruit is actually, in my opinion, very good for PvE, but it is also very good for PvP, I would say. I'll see you in my next video, and I'm also sorry for not uploading for a whole month. Bye!